Yesterday there was sun and there was rain. Beauty in the Monday.
Hello, welcome back to Life of Midwife. We have an unpaid sponsored video. So Beebeecraft sent me some more goodies. I worked with them a few times actually before. And
this time we get to share. Woo-hoo!
yeah, because I got some goodies. And the other times it was paper products, wood products, that kind of stuff. Now it's diamond painting. Woo-hoo. Yeah, so we got some goodies. This kit, and like all diamond paintings, it comes with all of the goodies that you need. And this one has 6 different patterns. We've got the stocking with the candy cane. We've got the tree, the wreath, the bell, the gingerbread house, and the candy canes. So, and they come with keychains.
That's very cool.
However, we are going to make them using these to hang on the tree, and then this part we're going to make something else with them.
That sounds really good.
Yeah. Get more for what it's meant to be for. And oh, these beads are so pretty. Like there's pearls and stars, and oh, they're so pretty.
Oh, that's going to be so much fun.
So
And
pretty.
what a nice package for it all.
I know, I love this little container.
Yeah, that is awesome.
So, there's that one. Oh, get it in after. Then, we got notebooks. I won't undo both, I'll just undo one. But,
Oh, that is so cool. Oh,
so it's like a sketchbook kind of. And it's got the design here. And so, and then all the pretty beads. Look at the pearls, like peach, and oh, just beautiful, beautiful. So I'm looking forward to doing these.
Oh, yeah.
And there's 2 of them, so we each have one.
Woohoo!
Yeah. Then this one. This one looks amazing. Oh, I already opened this one. Let's open it. Yes, I took a sneak peek. Look at these little...
Oh, little carry bags.
Yeah.
That is so cute. They are going to be just lovely. And that's a decent size.
Yeah, it's a decent size. Yeah.
Yeah.
And again, you get all the goodies with them.
Mm-hmm.
Really pretty
Oh,
ones.
we're going to have a hoot.
Yes.
I am very excited about doing something different.
Yeah.
Yep.
Me too.
Me too.
So, there will be a code for a discount for anybody that would like to purchase from the site. Kevin will have it in the description. I can't think of it off the top of my head. And he'll also put it on the screen for you. And you can go and have a look at their website. It's all crafts, but it's everything.
Variety.
Like, they're really known for their jewelry making, but they have everything.
Cool.
Yeah, they have everything.
Oh, this is going to be so fun.
I know. Isn't that neat?
Awesome.
So I am really happy to work with Beebeecraft again. It's been a while. Yeah.
Oh, those are so sweet.
Yeah. So we'll do one project a week.
Sounds perfect.
Yeah. We'll do this, we'll do the book, and we'll do the ornaments.
That sounds
All right,
awesome.
so stay tuned to see them all being made.
Mm-hmm.
Thanks again, Beebeecraft, for sponsoring this video. Bye-bye.
Yesterday